morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. You are aware of the chapters which are there for the term 2 examination, and also you must have received the timetable. Did you go through the instructions over there? It is not just MCQ type.
Yes, sir.
There are questions which are very short answer type, and long answer type questions. So to
Yes, sir.
reduce the difficulty, I thought I would give you the skeleton of the question paper. The question
Very
paper
good,
will
sir.
be having 16 questions. For these 16 questions, there will be 4 MCQ type of questions, and there will be 4 questions which are of 2 marks. Then there will be 4 questions of 3 marks and 4 questions of 3 marks questions are not there. 4 questions now. Let me just Yeah, 4 questions of 1 mark, 4 questions of 2, 4 questions of 3, 4 questions of 4, totally 40 marks. So 4 into 1 is 4, this is 8, this is 12, this is 16. Add them, you get 40. So this is the skeleton of the question paper. And there are 11 chapters. So 40 marks should be distributed among these 11 chapters. We have done revision of exponents and powers, factorization, algebraic expression and identities. So in continuation with the revision, I would like to take this mensuration chapter, which is quite large chapter. We shall do the revision of this chapter first. So like previous, I have brought some questions which are MCQ type followed by the long answer and short answer type questions. Here we go with set 1. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. So from this chapter, you must remember the formulas to be used to just list out for a square, its perimeter is 4a and area is side square for a square. And there is one more relation between these two sides and a diagonal. The diagonal is given by root 2 times of a. If you use Pythagoras theorem here, you will come to know that root 2a is the length of the diagonal. This concept also you must remember. Coming to rectangle, if the length and breadth are a and b respectively, its diagonal is given by root of a square plus b square. So apart from area and perimeter, you must remember these two also. Then we had a parallelogram. If the base and the height of the parallelogram are given, if the base is given as b and height is given as h, area is half base into a height, and its Perimeter is sum of all the sides. If other parallel side is given as say A, perimeter is 2 times of A plus B, like the rectangle.
The area of parallelogram should be base into height, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, half it is not half. Correct, sir. You are right. Absolutely correct. It is only base into height. After this, we had a general quadrilateral. For a quadrilateral, they should give you a diagonal and the two altitudes. If h1 and h2 represents the altitudes and d is the diagonal, area is given by half into diagonal into sum of the altitudes.
Yes, sir.
This is another formula. After this, we had a rhombus. For a rhombus, if the diagonals are given by d1, d2, its area is half into product of the diagonals, half d1, d2. These are the formulas. Apart from this, there was area of trapezium also, half h into sum of parallel sides. These are the formulas with respect to 2 dimensions. Coming to 3-dimensional figures, that is solid figures, we will be having either curved surface area or lateral surface area. Then, if bases are included with that, we get total surface area. If I consider a cube, for a cube, there will be 6 faces. Lateral surface area is 4a square plus area of bases is 2a square. Total, it is 6a square. For a cuboid, if length, breadth and height are given by L, B, H respectively, then its lateral surface area is
2 LS plus BH plus LB.
LH plus BH 2 times. And the bases are considered, it is 2 times of LB. Together, it becomes total surface area 2 common LB plus BH plus LH. Questions related to these topics are application type of question. Means if a cuboidal shaped room is there, what is the area, what is the total cost of whitewashing the 4 walls, something like that. For a cylinder, curved surface area is CSA, it is pi RH, 2 pi RH, and the basis it's 2 pi r square. Total is 2 pi r into r plus h. This is total surface area. These were the 3 solid shapes we had learned. Now, having the knowledge of these formulas, let us try solving the questions. Here we go with the first question. They have given that triangle ABC is an isosceles with AE perpendicular to BC, and the length of the perpendicular is 6 centimeter. The length of the base is 9 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle.
27 centimeters
When
square.
it is difficult to make out the figure, it's better that we draw it. Here we have the perpendicular AE. So it's directly half base into height, isn't it?
Yes,
It
sir.
is 9 centimeter.
9.
Half into
9
9
into
into
6.
6. This will be 3 times, it becomes 27. Units are also important in this. So 27 centimeter square. Second question, area of parallelogram is
Base into height,
Base
sir.
into height, sir.
height. Very good. The base of the parallelogram is, if area is given by base into
Area by
height,
height, sir. Option A.
area by height,
Option A, sir.
area by height.
Option A.
It's there in
Option A, sir.
A. Very good. Question 4. The height in an
Area by
area of
base.
parallelogram is
Area.
Option A,
by
sir.
base.
So option A, area by base.
Very good. Which of the following has the formula base into height? Base multiplied
So
by
Parallelogram,
area
height
of
is
sir.
parallelogram. Option A.
parallelogram. If half is included, it becomes area of triangle.
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 Yes. The area of triangle is, next question is that.
Half into base
Half
into
into
height.
base into height.
And B.
Option B, sir.
B, sir. 1 by.
Correct. Next question is height. Height is given by, in the triangle, it's half into base into height, which is area. So 2 times of area divided by base will be height. So option A is the correct answer
Yes, sir.
for that. Next, 8th question, the area of the given parallelogram in the below left figure is, this is the left figure, it's a direct
So
multiplication,
98.
98
98
centimeter
centimeter
square.
square. Option A.
Sometime in the examination, if I give only 98 centimeter, you have to select the option as
None of
none of this,
None of these.
because the unit also should match. Coming to the next question, question number 9. Area of the given rectangle in the above sided right figure is,
So
actually
98
it is a
centimeter
right
square.
sided
98
figure.
Option
Its
number A.
base into height,
98
it is 98 centimeter square. If you observe these two figures, their areas are same.
same,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes.
Their
Sir, how can we
perimeter
choose
also
none of these,
same.
sir?
It's the same, sir. Option number is 98 centimeter
How
square.
to choose none of this? If I give the
In eighth
option as
question, sir.
98 centimeter, unit is centimeter square, which is a correct one. If I give
Yes, sir.
centimeter, then none of this.
None of these.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Observe this.
So,
Yes,
so ninth question.
9th question.
So in
This
the
is the
8th
figure,
question,
sir.
how to find the perimeter of that parallelograms?
Same as
To
the
find the
perimeter of
perimeter.
rectangle.
Perimeter is sum of all the sides, isn't it? This will be
Yes,
7,
sir.
this will be 14.
I
No?
got them.
2 times of
Yes.
length plus breadth. Same formula which is there for rectangle is same for parallelogram also. For
So
these two
that is height,
figures,
sir. So
42,
we
sir.
don't know that length, sir. That is height, sir.
Centimeter.
oh, correct, no. We made a mistake then. This 98, is it correct?
So
It's
area
not
is
correct,
correct, sir,
no.
but perimeter.
Area is correct, sir.
So area is
Base
correct,
into
sir, but
height is
how to find
98.
perimeter, sir?
Perimeter is of
Area is correct.
42
Thinking that
perimeter.
this is the height. If the height is 7, it is correct. Perimeter we
Yes, sir.
cannot find here. Sorry. To
Why
find
we
the
can't
perimeter, you require this. This is
Yes, sir.
7.
find
We
it,
don't
sir?
know this length. If this length was known, no, this base is known, you can use
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras theorem and find.
Hypotenuse. Yes.
So only
Sir, if
area
the
concept
length
is
is
correct.
known,
Or we can
sir,
find, sir, then.
If the length
sir,
is,
if the length is known, then the both sides will be same, both lengths.
both lengths are same. This is 14. Yeah, these two are 14. This is some x. This also is x. This x value is not known. That's what I.
Yes.
Sir, the value of x can be 7 square plus 40 minus x whole square.
This side is not known. No. If this side is known, we can find this. For this rectangle, sorry, right angle triangle, the base is not known.
Sir, can we assume the base as 14 minus x whole square?
You can
We can
take
use
14
Pythagoras
minus
theorem.
some variable.
Yes,
Here
sir.
already I have taken x, no, so
Sir,
some other
we
variable.
have to take, we have to take 14 minus 2y, sir. It is two sides, no, sir.
No, yeah. Yes, we have taken this as y. This base as y. No, 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 no. This is y. If this is y, remaining will be 14 minus y.
Yes, sir.
We have some questions related to parallelogram. We will make use of Pythagoras theorem. We shall discuss there.
Okay.
Area of the given parallelogram in the below left figure. Where is the parallelogram?
So it's same.
Not there, sir. Parallelogram.
It's not there. So omit
So
this.
the previous question was repeated.
Yes, sir.
Previous question is repeated, correct?
Sir, I think you have to
So
find the
neglect this
11th
question.
also.
11th question, sir. No.
Area opposite. No.
Sir, 10th question, I think you have
Suppose
to find
if I consider this as a given semicircle, if I
And
change this question semicircle, then what will be area? Radius will become 7 centimeter here.
Yes.
So area is half
24,
into
sir.
pi r square. Half into 22 upon 7 into radius square is 7 into 7.
Sir, 11 centimeters.
77, sir.
77, sir.
77, sir.
Now the answer is
77
there.
Sir,
77
if we
centimeter
take
square.
triangle instead of semicircle, sir, then the answer will be 49, sir, for this
Triangle is
triangle.
there in the next question. This 11th question, there is a triangle. For this triangle, we require to find the area.
Yes, sir.
Area
49
is
49.
half
Option
into
C.
base into
49,
height.
sir.
Base
centimeter
is
square.
14,
49
height is
square.
7.
2 into
So
7.
49
7
centimeter
7s
square.
are 40.
Centimeter square. Option B.
Option B.
C, sir. Option
No,
number.
option C.
Option C.
Area of the given square in the below left figure is
49 centimeters square.
49
49
centimeters.
centimeters square, sir.
49 centimeter square.
Sir, the
They
diagonal
have
of the
given
square
a,
is given by.
sir,
Sir, the diagonal of a square is given by root 2a, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Diagonal is given by root 2a. Because when you use Pythagoras theorem, what happens? Two sides are there, that is a and a. A square plus a square will be the length of the diagonal square. So
Yes,
d
sir.
will be a root of 2a square. So d will be root 2 times of root a square. D will be root 2 times of a. Because root a square is a. Okay. Look at the next figure. They have given
325,
a
sir.
rectangle
325 meters square.
325 meters square.
5 meter
Option
square, sir.
C.
Option number C, sir.
Option C, sir.
625 minus
300
Minus 300, sir.
300.
300.
300, sir.
That is 325 meters square.
325 meters square.
325 meter square. Option number C.
Correct. Perimeter of the given below left figure is, to find the perimeter, this curved surface also we need to find, sir.
Circumference of half
2.8.
circle.
This is uh, half of the circumference, no?
Yes, sir. Half of circle.
What is the radius here?
1.4, sir.
So 1.4.
1.4.
Half into 2 into 22 upon 7 into
14.6
1.4.
cm, sir.
So
22, sir.
half into 2 pi r.
2.
2 into
2 to
22 by
cancel.
7 into
We can only use
1.4
pi r.
So
plus 1.5 is there 2 times plus
Yes, sir.
2.8 is 1
2.8.
time. This will be 0.2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. When 0.2 is
4.4.
multiplied, we get 4.4 plus 3 plus
5.8.
2.8. 4,
So 10.2.
10.2.
Yes, sir.
None
That
of this.
option is
None
not
of these, sir.
given,
Option number
none of
D. None
these,
of these.
because we get it as 10.2
10.2
centimeter.
centimeter.
sir, you multiplied 22 with 0.2?
We get
Yes, sir.
4.4 now.
4.4.
4.4.
We got, sir.
4.4 added to 3 is 7.4, added to 2.8 is 10.2. So that option is not given. Next one is a, here also we need to find the circumference, half the circumference to be added to 2 and 2.
Yes, sir. 4.
8.8, sir.
So half into
Sir, we found out that time what result is 4.4
Yes, sir. In the previous
4.4.
question you've
Yeah,
done.
4.4 to be added to
plus
4.
4, sir. 8.4.
8.4.
8.4. None
So
of this.
option is
Sir,
none of this. Yes, sir.
sir, we have to remember 1 by 3 pi r
None
square
of these,
h.
sir. Option number D.
Volume
1
of
by
cone,
3.
sir. 1 by
8.4 is
3 pi r square h,
8.4
sir.
centimeter.
1 by 3 pi r square h.
Sir, we should
This is
remember this
for
formula.
this is for cone,
Yes, sir.
volume of cone.
Sir, it is there for example.
For
Sir, how we
you,
can find
it is not there.
area of circle for this
This
question?
volume of cone is not there in your syllabus for 8th class.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing here, equilateral triangle formula,
Sir, root 3 by 4 a square, sir.
root 3 by 4
Yes,
a
sir.
square.
Root
This
of 3.
formula is not there, but however, since you know the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the height and we can deduce this formula. So question related to equilateral triangle also could be asked. And isosceles triangle may not be asked. It's 9th class question. What's the perimeter of this left figure?
Sir, 7.2.
It is half into
60
2
grams,
pi
sir.
r
Sir, we found out, no,
plus
sir.
2d.
4.4
Yes,
plus
sir, we
2.
found 4.4.
4.4 plus 2.8.
7.2.
7.2. For everything, none of this is the answer. What is this?
Yes, sir.
Let's see this trapezium. For this trapezium, what will be the area?
Left figure. This is
Half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Sum is 9 plus 7, which is 16.
24, sir.
So 8, 24 centimeter square. Option
none
A.
of option A, sir.
Uday, for everything, none of these will not be there here.
Not this.
Let's see set 2. What will be the area of circular circular button of radius 7 centimeter?
Sir, option A, sir.
It's area of circle, right?
So
Area of
154
circle is pi r
centimeters, your
square.
option is.
154
22.7
centimeters
into
square.
7 into 7. 154 centimeters square. Very good. Circumference of circle whose diameter is 14 centimeter.
44 centimeters, option A.
44 centimeter.
44, sir.
Why, sir?
Option A,
2
sir.
into
Radius will be
22
7
by
centimeter.
7 into 7.
7,
Radius
sir.
will become 7.
Direct
Circumference
5D,
is
sir.
2 pi
2
r.
pi r, sir. Yes, sir. 2 into
Otherwise, pi d also can be used.
7 into
Yes, sir.
7.
Yes, sir.
Option number A.
22 by 7 into 14.
Correct. 44 you get. Perimeter of
Circumference, sir.
circle
Option B. Option B, sir.
Circumference, sir.
is
Option B.
circumference. Diameter
Yes.
is
Twice radius.
Twice the
twice the
radius.
Twice the
radius.
radius. Option A, sir.
Pi value is
22 by 7.
21 by
Ratio of
7.
circumference and diameter.
ratio
Sir,
of
3 points.
circumference to diameter. They have not given 3.14, sir. Observe this 3.41 they have given. So you should not select this.
Okay, sir.
Sixth question, if the area of circle is 44 centimeter square, its perimeter will be. For that, we need to find the radius. Pi r square is given as 44. So r square will be 44 divided by pi, which is 44 divided by 22 upon 7. It comes into 7. So 14. R
14.
square is
Yes, sir.
14.
14.
R will be root of 14.
14.
And its perimeter is 2 pi r. 2 pi into
Into
root
42 by
14.
7. Yes, sir.
So 2 root 14 pi. So none of this is the answer. If you take
Yes, sir. Option B.
3.14 also, none of this is the answer. If the radius of pipe is 1 centimeter, the circumference of pipe will be circumference of the pipe.
None of this.
44 by 7.
44 by 7.
sir.
44
Yes, sir.
by
44 by 7.
6 point.
What is 44 by 7?
42.
Circumference, sir.
What is the value I asked?
Sir, 6.3.
6.28, sir. Option B.
6.
Sir, option B, sir.
6.28 something only we
28.
get now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. B,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 6 point.
Option B.
Oh,
Yes.
it's repeated here.
Yes, sir.
These two answers.
Circumference. Yes.
So we get approximately 6.28, one more digit, 5, 285.
Yes, sir. 5.
Yes,
285.
sir. 6.28.
The circumference of circle is given by
Sir, 2 pi r. 2.
Option C, sir.
pi into 2r, which is 2 pi r.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The diameter of the circle is 2r.
2
2R.
r.
Yes,
Option
sir.
B. B.
Which of the following is an example of circle?
Cup, sir.
Bottle
It's
cap.
A bottle cup
The bottle
cap.
cap.
sir.
Bottle cap.
Cap. Okay.
A
Like
cup.
cup also, sir.
Bottle
Both
or
are
cap.
The
correct.
bottle cap.
Cap. Yeah.
And if a
Cup
table is
also.
round, then it is also an example.
See, this type of question should not be asked. It will not be asked because a
And
chair
it
also
can
can
also
be
be round, sir.
circular. A cup
Yes,
also
sir.
can be circular. A table also can be circular table.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The area of a circle is
Option C is a pi
pi
r
r
square.
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 1 meter square is dash in
10,000
terms of
Option B,
centimeter
sir.
square.
Option B.
10,000 square.
1000 centimeters. No,
1
sir.
meter is 100 centimeter.
Option D, sir.
100 into
Option
100
Option D, sir.
centimeter
Option
square.
D.
10,000.
10,000
Sir,
centimeter.
It
option
is
D,
meter square.
centimeter
Square,
square.
sir.
Option
Not
D,
Option
sir.
D.
Centimeter square, sir. Option D.
But if you observe, it is meter square, so it should not be the answer, no?
Yes.
Option
Yes,
D,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
10,000
D, sir.
centimeter square. Option
Option
D.
B. 1 hectare is equal to
100 meter square, sir.
Option A, sir. 100 meter
100 meter
square.
square.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
100% sure, sir.
10,000 centimeter square.
The circumference of a circle with radius
44.
7 centimeters.
44
44
centimeters.
C is
44,
option
sir.
C.
44 centimeters. The area of circle is 49 pi centimeter square. Its circumference is area of circle is pi r square, which is 49 pi centimeter
So
square.
22 pi.
This get cancelled. R will be 7 centimeter.
Yes.
So circumference is 2 pi r. So 14 pi. 14 pi is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1
Yes,
hectare
sir.
is 10,000 meter square.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
what I
Option A,
asked.
sir. It is 100 meter
No,
square.
option C, sir.
What is the meaning of 1 hectare?
Sir, 100 into
10,000
100.
meter square.
It means that it's a area of a square in which 100 centimeter is there, no, 100 meter is there on each side. Is it?
Yes, sir.
1 hectare is 1000 meters. 100 meter into 100. 10,000, no?
Yes, sir. 10,000 meter square is correct.
10,000.
10,000 meters square. This is wrong. So it is something like this, a square shape which 100 meter is there each side. 1 hectare. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Yes, you are right. 10,000 meter square.
Sir, how did you solve the 15th question?
15th question, I have taken area which is pi r square equal to 49 pi. They have given. I have cancelled out this pi and pi, both the side.
Yes, sir. R square
So
is
I get
49.
r square as 49 centimeter square. So r will be 7 centimeter by taking root.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 2 pi r is the circumference.
2
So
into pi
2 into
into 7.
7 is 14
14
pi.
14
14
pi.
pi centimeter.
Option B, sir.
Yes.
Yes. That was set 2. Now set 3. The perimeter of a circular field 242 centimeter. The area of the field is, they have given a circumference 242. We need to find radius from this. So 2 pi r is equal to 242. R will be 242 divided by 2 times of 22. This becomes into 7. I think we can cancel this.
Yes, sir.
21,
Up to 1 that 2
22 into 11
121.
times.
Yes,
11
sir.
11,
times.
yes, sir.
77.
So R value we get it as 77 by 2. So area is pi r square 22 by 7 into 77 by 2 into 77 by 2. So this is 11 times. 2 once again 11 times. We will be getting 121 into 77 divided by 2. How much will be that? 121 into 77 is
9317.
So
9,657.
4658.5.
When you divide by 2, 4,000.
658.5.
658.5. Is it there? Yes, it is there here in the option C. 4658.5 centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
So first we will find the radius, then we will find the area. Simple. Question 2. The area of circle is given. We need to find the circumference. So area of circle is pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r square is 38.5. R we need to find. R square will become 38.5 into 7 divided by 22. Is it a square number? Is it a square number?
Yes, sir. When we multiply, we get 12.25, sir. It is square of
3.5.
35, sir.
3.5 is
Yes, sir. 3.5. Radius is 3.5.
square root of 12.25. Correct. Radius is 3.5. Circumference is given by 2 pi r. So 7 pi. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 7 cancelled.
So 22 centimeter.
44. 2
So
pi r.
3.5, sir.
Sir, you took
Sir,
diameter.
radius is
Radius.
3.5, sir.
Sorry.
Pi d, sir. Pi
This is
d.
3.5, no? So
Yes,
this
sir.
will be
3.5 into 2.
3.5. Cancel, we get 22.
Yes, sir.
Correct,
22.
sir? Right. Option D is the answer.
Option D, sir.
Yes, you
22.
must remember this 12.25 is a square number.
Yes.
The difference between the circumference and the radius of circle is 37 centimeter. The area of circle is the difference between circumference and the radius. 2 pi r minus r is
Yes, sir.
37. So
Sir, we
r
take
can
R
be
as
taken
common.
common. We get 2 pi minus
2
1
pi 1.
is 37. So we need to simplify to find r. R will be 37 divided by
2 pi
pi
minus 1.
minus 1.
1.
This will be 22 upon 7. 37 divided by, this becomes 44 minus 7 into 7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This get cancelled. R we get it as 7. Because 44 minus 7 is 37. They get cancelled.
7 centimeters.
Radius is 7. So area pi r square.
Pi r square, sir.
22 by 7 into 7 into 7.
Option number C,
154
sir. 154.
154.
Option C.
Option C.
150, sir. Yes. Option C.
Quite different question. You have to find radius from here. If you simplify, we get the radius as 7. So area is pi r square. Easy.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4. The circumference of two circles are in the ratio
2:3.
2:3. Find the ratio of their areas. They have given the two radii. So no, two circumferences are in the ratio. So 2 pi r1 is to 2 pi r2 is 2:3. This is what they have given. We have to find pi r square. Pi r1 square is to pi r2 square. This is what we need to find. If you observe it carefully, this pi get cancelled. Here 2 pi get cancelled. So it's like r1 is to r2, which is 2:3. When you square it, we get this. So 4:9 is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt in this fourth one?
No, sir.
Question 5. On increasing the diameter of a circle by 40%, its area will be increased by 40% is the increase. If you consider the diameter to be 2r actual, now 40% is increased. 2r plus 40 by 100 into 2r. If 2r is the diameter, area is pi r square. Now if this is the diameter, what will be the area? What to do? See, this will be 2r plus 0.4r, 0.4 into 2r. So 2r multiplied to 1 plus 0.4, 1.4. 2r into 1.4. This is the new diameter. Diameter is 2r into 1.4. This is 2r. Not get cancelled. Cancel. To go about this question here.
We can take R as one value, sir. Suppose 7, sir.
Yes, sir. We have to take a value, sir. Then we have to increase 40%, sir. This diameter. According to that, we have to uh, if we get a value, sir, 40% by increasing, then we have to assume the answer like that only.
Suppose if I follow your method, if I take diameter to be
10
7,
centimeter.
7,
Okay.
if I
Yes, sir.
consider. Now 40% increase. This is the actual. Now this is increased. 7 to be added to 0.4 into 7. No? So 1.4 into 7 we get.
14 by 5.
If diameter is 7, area is pi r square, 22 by 7 into radius square, or 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7, 7 cancel, this will be 11 times. Area is 77 by 2. If this is the new diameter, area will be now 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 7 divided by 2 into 1.4 into 7 divided by 2. 7 get cancelled, this will be 11 times. So 11 into 1.4 to 1.4 into 7 by 2, which will be that.
Sir, 40% increase in diameter will give 19.6 as diameter, sir.
75.46 we get here. and this will be 35.5. So increase is the difference. So minus 35.5 to we get 39.96. So percentage increase is 39.96 divided by 35.5 into 100. We get 112. Is it possible like that?
Sir, we can square the ratio, sir. We will get 4:9.
We are getting more than 100% here.
Before diameter was 14, no, sir. 40% increase will give 1.4 into 14, that is 19.6, sir. So new radius will be 9.8 cm, sir. When we find out areas
1.4 into 7 is correct, no? Diameter.
Yes, sir.
Radius will be half of that. So this is radius square.
Sir, what will the diameter be Ix, and we can do it.
We can follow that method also.
Diameter be Ix and Ix plus 40 divided by 100.
If I consider x as the diameter, area will be pi r square, pi into x by 2 into x by 2.
Yes, sir.
So area will become pi into x square by 4. Now the diameter is increased by 40%. X plus
40
40
divided
by
by
100 into
10.
x. So x to be added to 0.4x, no? 1.4x. This is the new diameter. So area will be equal to pi r square, pi into r. If diameter is 1.4, it will be 0.7.
0.7
So
is
new
equal to
area will become
22 by 7, 7
0.49,
into 7, 0.1.
So 1.54.
pi x square.
So 1.54.
This will be what? What is 1 by 4 here?
Diameter
0.25, 0.25 pi x square. Now this is area, this is the new area. Difference is what? 0.49 minus 0.25
0.24.
pi x square.
24%.
0.24
24 pi x square.
pi x square. So percentage increase is 0.24 pi x square by original 0.25 pi x square into 100. This pi x square get cancelled. 24 by 25.
96.
Or 80, 96.
100.
So
Yes, sir.
96.
Absolutely correct. 96%. So that option
Yes, sir.
was there, I think. Yeah, it is there.
Sir, please, sir, option
Option
number
C.
C.
So option C is the answer. This is the method I followed. Me and Uday followed. Diameter is taken as x. So the area will become 0.25 pi x square. Now the diameter is increased by 40%. Diameter will be 1.4x. So the new area is 0.49 pi x square. Since this is larger, larger minus smaller will give the difference, which is increase. Increase is found, which is 0.24 pi x square. So percentage increases increase divided by the actual into 100. This pi x square get cancel. 24 by 25 into 100 will be 96%. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Shall I end today's session? It's already 12
Yes, sir.
minutes late.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes, sir.